Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and remove user accounts on HP OMEN Transcend 14. To create and remove user accounts, you should go to the settings. Then in the settings, go to accounts and you'll find the other users section. Now you can add an account, and at first most probably it'll show you the Microsoft account pop up, so if the person is near you, you can hand the laptop over to them so they can log in. But personally I prefer to click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, then click on add a user without a Microsoft account, and if they want they can log in later with Microsoft account, but it doesn't really matter right now. Let's just create the account pretty quickly. So you can add the name and you can add the password. If you leave these two fields blank, then it will be an account without a password, but I don't recommend it. So I would highly recommend setting a password just for security, because security is pretty important. Now, security questions as well, they are important to answer truthfully so you don't forget the answers to them. Because if you forget, if you just make the answers up, then probably you won't remember them. And what it does is, in case you forget the password, it gives you an ability to answer to those questions again, and then you'll be able to restore the password. That's why it's so important. Here you can remove the user if you want to remove it later. You can also change account type. In order to change it, to select that, then select administrator or standard user. But unless you really trust that person, I wouldn't recommend setting it to administrator. Now I'm gonna show you two ways to relog in. First is once you're logged into another account, then click on start. Click on your profile on this start menu and click on three dots, then select that other user. Now just enter the password of that other user. And by the way, the first login will take a bit longer than usual because it has to set up a few things, but in a moment it'll be all set up. And now just answer a few questions. I highly recommend answering them yourself, depending on your actual preferences. And now I'm logged in. Now to relog in from the lock screen, I'm gonna lock the screens, which you can do by either clicking on the power icon, then clicking on lock, or Windows and L on your keyboard. Now I'm gonna go to the lock screen and I can select the account to log into. I'm actually having the face recognition, so that's how it all works. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.